Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today I'm going to show you the future drop test phones that are going to be coming up pretty soon. I'm probably going to do them this weekend, so they should be coming out around Sunday or Monday. We're going to start off with this Casio Ravine I ordered. I only paid like $4 for it. I think it was like $4.30 something. It works just fine, but I already have one, and this one's in pretty bad shape. The hinge cover, or the hinge up here, is a little loose. And sometimes the display flickers. I think because the ribbon cable might be damaged in there. So we're going to go and drop test it. We have this Motorola C 39 or 139. I can't remember this one because it's like the easiest one. It works, but it doesn't have the original TracFone SIM card. So as you know, it's not very much good. This LG Ravine, I think it's a Ravine. I could be wrong. I think it's like the VN150 or something like that. I have two of these already, and this one's in really bad shape, so we're going to drop test it. Here's my old Samsung Convoy 3. We'll drop test it. And then this is a Samsung A840. I actually remembered it as I took the battery out of it. This one's locked. I lost the volume keys when I was swapping parts off of it. It's really no good. So I may or may not drop test this. I'm not sure yet. I'm still kind of debating because I really do like these ones. It brings back memories. So I don't know. I may or may not do this one yet. I'm still thinking. And then I am ordering a couple more phones. I ordered a Droid X that does not work, but it has a good body on it. So we're going to drop test it. And then, yeah, that should be about it. I'm also going to be going over the other phones that I was talking about doing a giveaway. We're going to figure out what we're going to do on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next.